Hey, what is going on, guys, gals, aliens, and degen freaks? Welcome to Dano Crypto. So we're on the morning walk, and of course, when you go long before you go to bed, Bitcoin wants to do a nice 5K retracement. So I'm sure you guys probably saw that, or you're going to see it once you wake up. But yeah, we had Bitcoin over 70K, and I think the obvious thing that happened is that we hit some resistance at the point where, you know, we've had the all-time high at 69, had the all-time high at 73,000. So now we are at 65,000, and we're possibly going to hit a low of 62. If you were watching the Moon Show live yesterday, Carl mentioned that there is a big potential that we could go down to a $62,000 level and then just blast off, because basically we have 10 days until the Bitcoin halving, which is going to, I think, naturally give a supply shock to the ecosystem, because right now we've done something that we've never done before with Bitcoin coming into the halving, is that we are at all-time highs past coming into right before the halving. So this has never happened before. So we had basically where each halving before we were at a low point and then blasted off, and we had, like, you know, a 20% to 30% retracement going into the halving, and then see that big move. So we'll see what is going to happen. I think the most recent dip was about 15%, was about as low as that dip went in the past couple weeks, and this was when we hit our obvious top points in the market. So that's also making altcoins react a little bit. But then the thing that I pointed out on the Moon Show was, what coins are the ones that recover the fastest on some of the BTC dips? So the ones that I'm seeing recover the fastest is Dogecoin, Toncoin, which is the Telegram chain, and then we have ICP, Litecoin, and there was a few more that were some outliers. And the key is right now, like right now, when you watch this video, and actually, if you are watching this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and be a part of the Dano Crypto community. But once you actually go and look at the prices right now, you need to see which coins are going to be recovering the fastest, because that's the market revealing to us what is going to be the strong plays for the bull market. It's you think about it, it's like, it's kind of an obvious indicator for what people are liking in the market, what are the most popular coins, and what are the coins that are immediately getting that volume spike, even though we're on a retracement. So these are things I'm starting to learn being in crypto more often, spending more time looking at the charts, spending more time looking at the cycles, and seeing how these markets react, because that is how we are going to maximize our opportunity, maximize our gains, and it just helps build up our strategy, because we know that the crypto markets have variables. It's not black and white, and so we have to evolve. But yeah, guys, I have made the decision to go full-time crypto. Now that can mean a lot, where I could be driving the channel, I could be trading, could be trying to get partnerships, but essentially that's what I'm going to be doing with all of my time, is going full in on my channel, my brand, my investing, my trading, and I'm going to be fully investing in myself, because I just will say, to be completely honest, my mind has been broken out of the matrix. And my mind, my body, my soul is wanting to go towards being out of the matrix. And how do you do that? Well, you more and more every day make decisions that ultimately are serving you, your family, the people around you in a positive way. And you are not a slave to the system. You are not being beat down by inflation. You are actually going to be a fighting force against these systems. The only way that you can get out of the system is to exit yourself out of the system. So I think cryptocurrency is definitely one of those things that we have in this world that is a way that we can exit out of this system. But yeah, so I'm making the leap, making the journey, and I hope it inspires you guys that if you have been sitting on the fence about something, you've been wanting to do something creative, you've been wanting to do something that is uncomfortable or scary, and you need some motivation to be able to do it. Well, I really hope this can push you to make that leap. Go into it. Whatever it is, it's something that you love. It's a project that you've been wanting to do. Maybe you're a musician and you have all these tracks that you've been sitting on for years, and all you got to do is just release them. But say it's done. Say, yes, this is my album. I'm gonna release it. This is my business that I've been wanting to start. You know, there's so many things that will deter you or convince you that you don't have enough time to do it. Oh, not enough support, or, you know, oh, I can't because I gotta do this. And, you know, I think now is the time to stop making excuses and really go for it. Because why not? Why not? The only thing that's gonna hold you back from your dreams and you attaining the success that you want, it's you. Like, you are the only one that is gonna be in your way, because it's up to you on how you perceive people's opinions on what you're trying to do. And yeah, it's wild, guys. So I think crypto has changed me. It's programmed my brain. I mean, my brain has already been reprogrammed. You know, I've gone down the rabbit hole. I've gone down multiple rabbit holes, and it's fitting that one of the rabbit holes that I've gone down in finance has led me to crypto. And, you know, we're so early in crypto. It's insane. Like, it's only, the market cap is only at $2.5 trillion. That's literally only the value of one company in the S&P 500. So you really have to think about the scope of when even just a couple of these companies start putting Bitcoin on their balance sheet, even just 1% or 2% of their company valuations into Bitcoin. And it's not even just Bitcoin. You got to think these institutions. Think about Ethereum. You know, people